Hello, Professor Walsworth. My name is Jajo, and I am a reporter from CNN. Congratulations on winning the Computer Scientist of the Year. So I know your work is mainly focused on computer graphics and vision. I know many people are really interested in this topic. Can you please explain to our audience what these two concepts are about?
Hi Jay. I am happy to answer that. Computer graphics is a field of computer science that aims to create images and movies using a computer model. Some examples of software that can create, manage, and edit graphics are Adobe and Photoshop. Computer vision is a field of computer science that seeks to acquire, process, and analyze the content of an image using a computer model. Some typical computer vision tasks include recognition, motion analysis, scene reconstruction, and image restoration.
Oh wow, that sounds so interesting. Do you know any specific examples of how computer vision can be used to object recognition?
Yes. Sure, I can do that. One of the examples that I find really interesting is an algorithm designed by Fei-Fei Li, the director of the Stanford Artificial Intelligence Lab and Stanford Vision Lab. According to Li, our most advanced software are still struggling to understand visions. Even though they can record pictures, they fail to understand the pictures. Because each object can present itself in infinitely many shapes, computers cannot recognize an object based on a description of the object itself when the object is presented in a different shape. Li helped create a database called ImageNet, which has tens of thousands of pictures of every object. Based on this database, Li created an algorithm that can help computers recognize objects in a picture and give a brief description of the picture.
Oh wow, this is amazing. How accurate is this algorithm in recognizing an object?
The algorithm is often able to successfully recognize the objects in a picture. Even when the computer is not confident on what an object is, it can tell the general category of the object. Overall, Li's algorithm is an astonishing improvement on the technology of computer vision.
This algorithm sounds very like the new feature of the Google Translate app. This app can now instantly translate printed text of a picture from certain different languages to a designated language. Is this feature also related to computer vision?
Yeah, Google Translate app also utilizes computer vision. The secret behind the instant translations is really similar to the process Li taught computers to recognize objects in a digital image. With the input of a large data set of printed letters, the app first detects letters from the black and white version of the image taken by the camera, it recognizes letters and groups them into words, it then translates each word with a dictionary, and finally produces words in similar colors and shapes to substitute words in the picture.
This is great. Can you also give an example about applications of computer graphics?
Sure. Computer graphics is useful in almost all parts of our life. One of the most common application is animation software. It enables you to chain and sequence a series of images to simulate movement. Each image is like a frame in a movie. It can be defined as a simulation of movement created by displaying a series of pictures, or frames.
Is a cartoon on television an example of animation?
Yes. Exactly. Animation on computers is one of the chief ingredients of multimedia presentations, so a cartoon on television is definitely an example of animation. Actually, there are many software applications that enable you to create animations that you can display on a computer monitor.
But Professor, how is animation different from video?
That's a really good question. They are very similar but different concepts. Video takes continuous motion and breaks it up into discrete frames, whereas animation starts with independent pictures and puts them together to form the illusion of continuous motion.
Wow, all these are so interesting.
Yes, they are.
I know you are teaching related courses at Northwestern University. Can you share with our audience what courses you are teaching?
I am teaching ECS 334 Introduction to Computer Vision and ECS 351 Introduction to Computer Graphics. Both are all very interesting courses. If you are interested in learning more about computer graphics and vision, you should definitely come sit in my classes.
Thank you for your advice. Again congratulations on winning the award.